You might have seen while cooking, when we lift the spoon in the curry, after some time when you touch the top end, you feel hot, right? Why? Are you heating this one directly? No. Where this whole part is inside, it is inside the curry. Curry is already getting heat energy from the flame, and that heat energy is transferring from here. Now it is a solid, right? Now if you take this as spoon is a solid, so all solid particles are tightly packed, right? Now the heat energy, when the spoon is receiving the heat energy, the particles inside gains their kinetic energy. Means the heat energy transfers into the spoon, and the particles kinetic energy will increase. When particles kinetic energy increases, then they start vibrating. Very simple thing. Whenever any object is having kinetic energy, it tends to move, okay, but it's a solid already tightly packed. They try to move, so they just vibrate from their positions. They just vibrate. So in these vibrations, the heat energy transfer from one particle to the another particle. So particle from here, the heat energy transfer to the next particle. So, and the second particle vibrate, and it transfers the heat energy to the next following particle. Now that particle again vibrates, and this is how the heat energy transfer from one end to the another end. Now this process is called conduction. This process is called conduction, where heat energy is transferring from one place to another place. But you find one thing, it is not catching fire, even it is not melting, right? So this is where we can use the word conduction. So for conduction purpose only, we are using aluminium, iron, copper as a cooking vessels, because when we are keeping on the flame of a gas, they won't melt, they don't even catch fire. If they catch fire, we say it's a burning or a combustion, and if it changes state again, if it is immediately melting, like changing to liquid, then we say it is melting. But it is neither doing burning or melting, right? So it is becoming so hot, it means it is receiving energy and transferring from one point to another point. This is what heat conduction. So heat conduction is completely different than melting and burning. So it's a physical process only, okay, where particles are vibrating and they are transferring the heat energy. Hope you understand. Subscribe.